Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are at the Scranton Iron Furnaces with Luann and Elias. Definitely would not want to fall down in that thing. And by the way, it is right next to the University of Scranton. So if you know where that is, you know where the ironworks are. The Scranton Iron Furnaces is a historic American manufacturing site that preserves the rich heritage of iron making in Pennsylvania. It is located in Scranton, near the Steamtown National Historic Site. You can visit these by going to 159 Cedar Avenue in Scranton, and that should get you really close to the Scranton Iron Furnaces. These iron furnaces represent the early iron industry in the United States. The four massive stone blast furnaces are the remnants of a once extensive plant operated by the Lackawanna Iron and Steel Company. Now, just to give you a scale, just how huge these furnaces are, take a look at Luann at the lower left-hand corner. Started in 1840 as Scranton Grant and Company, their firm had the largest iron production capacity in the United States by 1865. By 1880, it poured 125,000 tons of pig iron, which was converted into its rolling mill and foundry into T-rails and other end products. In 1902, the company dismantled the plant and moved it to Lackawanna, New York, to be closer to the high-end iron ores coming out of the Mesabi Range. The Scranton Iron Furnaces has no admission, and it is designed to educate the public about the site of the Lackawanna Iron and Coal Company and its impact upon the nation's Industrial Revolution, demonstrating the relevance of industrial history in our lives. The Scranton Iron Furnaces are administered by the Pennsylvania Historical and Museum Commission and are actively supported by the Anthracite Heritage Museum and Iron Furnaces Associates, which is a nonprofit community-based organization. The furnaces, which are situated in a historic park setting, are open to visitors year-round from dawn to dusk. In the summer months, facilities are available for picnics and event rentals.